Okay. I am the white bird of peace. Yes. Sadia Mansour, I have finally realized, and thanks to all the lessons I have had, I have come with thanks for to break free, break free Palestine and to take out the oppression, and I will be free with Palestine. Because Palestine is a woman, and I am a woman too, and for all the women that are no good around the world with big, with good heart, I want to share. It's going to be fun. I am a teacher, and God gives me the words to say, and even me, I hear myself, and I learn from what my words say. Life is beautiful, is for peace and love, not for war. And I will break out the barriers that have been oppriming women, Palestine, and kids will be free. No kid no more will be crying and be frightened, because God is with me, and I will be free with Palestine. Peace and love. Salam alaikum. It means the peace with you.